Fine greetings. I am Tharani. I am about to complete my 4-year B.Sc Agriculture course at Gandhigram Rural Institute. I am truly honored to share my reflections as I reach the completion of this meaningful journey. Today, not just mark completion of my degree, but culmination of a journey that profoundly shaped my skill, knowledge, perspective about agriculture and my life itself. To begin with, I would like to share the academic strengths of this course. When I first joined, I was not aware of agriculture fully. But across years, this course completely transformed my perspective. That agriculture is not just cultivation, it is a multidisciplinary science that combines economics, technology, environment, and biology. Through subjects like agronomy, soil science, plant breeding, plant pathology, and agriculture economics, I developed a deeper understanding on sustainable crop production and resource management. Our valuable aspect of learning was laboratories and field exposure. Our well-equipped laboratories allowed us to gain more hands-on experiences from soil science, analysis to disease identification and pest management. From these experiences, I can say that we didn't learn agriculture, we actually experienced it. Agriculture cannot be fully understood inside the classroom. Our curriculum truly reflects that. Through field visits and practical exposure, we gained a real-time experiences in farming system and challenges. In this journey, I would like to highlight the RAWE experiences, that is rural agriculture work experience. During RAWE, I was placed in Iringalu village at Trichy. This RAWE experience was truly life-changing. During RAWE, we closely observed rural life and we was able to connect with farmers. We didn't learn only scientific practices, we also learned the indigenous knowledges from them, which is sustainable, cost effective, and eco friendly. From this RAWE, I developed my communication skill, which helped me to empathize and I gained respect in extension work. Moving to our final semester, we worked on research projects, skills, and entrepreneurship courses. These experiences encourage us to think creatively, solve real-world problems, and help us to create practical solution to agriculture problems. It also helped us to develop our confidence and innovative thinking. And I would like to speak about role of our library. The central library and our department library both has valuable academic sources and a peaceful environment for studying and preparation. And next is our CFOM and other institutional facilities which played a crucial role in our learning process. In CFOM, we gained a practical exposure in agriculture and faced real-time agricultural challenges. Other facilities like orchard, meteorological unit and dairy farm further enriched our knowledge in agriculture sector. Beyond the academics, this course personally improved me a lot, helped me to gain confidence, it improved my communication skill, perseverance, and it helped me to become a responsible agriculture graduate. At this moment, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our respected dean, professors, and staff members. Thank you for your guidance and constant support. In conclusion, my journey at Gandhigram Rural Institute was truly transformative. It has not only given me knowledge but also skill, values, and purpose. As I move forward, I carry the responsibility to contribute to agriculture and support farmers with integrity and dedication. And I will be always proud to be part of Gandhigram Rural Institute. Thank you.